In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to broadcast on Steam. Steam has a built-in broadcasting feature that lets friends or the wider community watch you play without any extra software. We'll walk through enabling it, choosing who can watch, setting up your audio and video, and starting a stream. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. Click the Steam menu in the top left corner and select Settings. This opens the control center for your account and app preferences. In the Settings window, click the Broadcast tab. This page controls everything related to streaming from Steam, including who can view your session, which audio sources are captured, and how your video looks. Next, choose your privacy level under Privacy Settings. If you pick Friends can request to watch my games, your friends will be able to ask for access, and you approve before anyone sees your stream. Friends can watch my games lets your friends join instantly without asking. Anyone can watch my games makes your broadcast public and searchable on the game's community hub, which is great for discoverability but means anyone on Steam can tune in. Pick the option that matches your comfort level and what you want from your stream. Now configure your audio and video. Select the microphone you want to use from the drop-down. Then enable recording of your microphone and game audio if you want your voice and in-game sound to be heard. If you prefer silent gameplay, leave the mic disabled. Adjust your video dimensions to set the resolution of the stream. Higher dimensions look sharper, but require more bandwidth and system resources. If you have a modest connection, choose a lower resolution for smoother playback. Take a moment to double-check that the right mic is selected and that the audio toggles reflect what you want viewers to hear. With settings in place, it's time to go live. Launch any game from your library. Steam will automatically start broadcasting based on the privacy option you chose. To confirm you are live, press Shift+Tab to open the Steam overlay during the game. Look for the live indicator in the overlay. When you see it, your stream is active and viewable according to your settings. If the indicator doesn't appear right away, give it a moment while the game loads. Then check your privacy choice and audio or video selections. That's the full setup. Thanks for watching.